Good morning. My name is Eric Olson with Panda Exteriors. We're here at Phil Massoni's house in West Ocean City, Berlin, Maryland. We're going to do a repair on this damaged shingle here. As you can see, it's completely flapping in the wind. Boom, boom, boom. So we're going to go 2 courses above, taking out nails, probably 9 to 10 of them. We have a brand new HDZ GAF architectural shingle to replace. We're going to send down this shingle for an ITEL report and wait back to hear from them. We have clippers because the new shingle is 39 inches long. This one is 36 and a half. And then the exposure for the new architectural shingle is going to be always 6 inches, whereas this is right at 5 inches. So this is the original arch shingle for this house that's a little around 25 years old. We definitely have some granular issues when just walking on the shingles. They are dissipating. The adjuster did a brittle test and there was creasing when he did his brittle test, just from his word of mouth. But what we are attempting to do is take out this as gingerly as possible without disrupting the surrounding shingles, using proper tools. We have our snake, proper techniques, not lifting the shingle over a certain degree, 45 degrees. So first I'm going to unseal this shingle to find the nails. Just upon like touch, like this is already tearing here. I'll mark the nails with an X. Just so there's already material transfer. Just unsealing these 2 courses above the damaged shingle. Alright, that should be all the nails necessary. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 nails we have to undo. So whenever we are doing a repair. What we're trying to do as Master Elite roofing contractors for GAF here in Maryland, we're trying to bring the property and the roof back to pre-existing storm conditions. There's been a lot of storms here all throughout the summertime of 2024. Major one in May. And since then, we just had 72 hours, about a week plus ago, of winds here on the Delmarva Peninsula. Getting lots of phone calls. Just when you're this close to the Atlantic Ocean, you're going to have a lot of winds, both coming from the west, but also the northeast. So we have granular loss, we have tears, we already have material transfer. And again, we are using our snake tool. We are taking extra precaution in handling this, removing these 11 nails. So when we do this, we are also, like, it's just worth notating, but there's tears in the shingles on the courses above the shingle that we are attempting to take out. There's going to be 11 new holes in the surrounding areas. It's over 50 degrees today, which is incredible. It was 52 degrees when we started. More. So send this in. take this new shingle, compare it in size. Again, you're gonna have about 2.5, 3 inches space hanging off. And if you look right here, this is where it's supposed to seal to the current roofing system. And because of the 6-inch exposure, we're gonna have to cut off 1 inch at the bottom. There's layers with these new architectural shingles, and we're going to disrupt and completely cut off the seal mechanism of the shingle. It's not going to properly seal. It's what is not recommended by any reputable roofing contractor, especially one that's a GAF Master Elite. We are part of the President's Club with GAF. It's been around since 1886. But so we're going to mark this, put nails back in, and then I'll send this down for an ITEL report. So there's 1 inch at the bottom. I'd rather have it hanging out and not sealed than cutting off the inch and deteriorating the shingle. That's what will happen. There's a lesser of two evils. But I'm gonna take this, put these nails back in. But we have new tears. We have new material transfer. I will take pictures of all of this. We have new holes. And then if you look at the X's that we had to start this, they are almost not recognizable, and they will be less recognizable when I'm done hammering in these 11 new nails. But was just a regular extra nail. to do this to the rest of the roof, with there being minimum of 8 additional places on all slopes, front, back. It's a hip roof, so this is a lot more than just an A-frame rancher here. We are destroying the 2 courses above the shingle that we're attempting to take out to do the repair. And again, it's not our recommendation. And no serviceable roofer would deem this necessary for the insured, which again, we're just trying to get the roof back to pre-existing strong conditions, and this is not a viable solution. Once I get the ITAL report back, I'll send that in. But we're asking for a full approval for the entire roof to be done. But we'll wait for your review on the matter. So I'll take pictures of this as well. Just chunks are coming out of the roof right here. You can see, I'll put that there. The amount of granulars that we have lost, you can see. The X's that we started off with are not recognizable. We have new creases here. New tear. New tear. Holes. New tear here. Material transfer. Material transfer. New tear there. Transfer. Mat transfer. So we have new material transfer, mat trans. We have new holes, new gouges, new tears, new creasing. Tears. fail. And as you can see, the surrounding areas don't have any tears. And we are creasing, new creasing here, new tears. This is using proper tools, techniques. We do not recommend this to be a viable solution to Mr. Massoni's property, and we're again requesting a full approval for the roof. I will send in the ITEL report once I receive it back and wait for your review and a follow-up conversation. Thank you very much. Eric Olson with Panda Exteriors. Have a good rest of your day.